While that snowfall may have stopped hitting the ground, we're going to continue to feel the effects of it overnight. I'll have more on that coming up. First, here's a look at your almanac. Welcome back, everyone. The main story today was, of course, that snowfall. Today, throughout northwest Missouri, we picked up between 2 and 5 inches of snow. Up toward our north, though, places in Iowa around Des Moines picked up around a foot of snow. Now, we are going to start switching our attention over to cold air that is coming in right behind all that snowfall, and then start to look ahead toward your Christmas forecast and even a potential for some snowflakes to fall along with that. Now we're going to turn it over to a look outdoors where we are continuing to see plenty of clear sky throughout the area. This time yesterday we saw all sorts of color as rain was working its way into the area and then starting to transition over to snow. Now we're starting to focus on those temperatures. Right now, though, 22 degrees. Dew point is at 13. Humidity, 62%. Winds very dry and chilly out of the northwest at 9 miles per hour. As we take a look now at that satellite and radar throughout the country, our main focus is, of course, that winter storm, which has worked its way on out of the state of Missouri and started to push its way up toward the north and east. Here's a little bit of a closer look. Those snow showers starting to push their way on through Chicago, on into the Great Lakes as well. So if you are one of the unfortunate few who had a flight scheduled throughout the Midwest, Ohio River Valley, Great Lakes, or even headed up into the Northeast, you want to be sure to be checking in with those throughout the day tomorrow. Now, as we turn over to a look at our area, we are seeing plenty of clear sky as high pressure is starting to sink its way on into the area. Overnight, though, we're going to see high pressure start to clear up those skies, making for quite the chilly night for us, though. Low temperature at 10 degrees. Those winds being the biggest issue, continuing to blow around that snow. Coming out of the northwest, very chilly breezes, 10 to 20 miles per hour, sustained winds, and that wind chill could make it feel sub-zero out there. On into tomorrow, though, we are starting to see some sunshine break its way through the clouds. Not seeing much of a break from the temperature, though. High temperature tomorrow, just above freezing at 34 degrees. Thankfully, though, we're going to start to see those winds calm down and just stay light as they gradually start to transition their way onto the southwest. Here's a look as we approach the weekend and start to work our way toward Christmas. Friday, of course, 34 degrees. Starting to warm up a bit for Saturday, keeping around that sunshine throughout the weekend, but still temperatures struggling to get out of the 30s, 34 degrees again for your Sunday. On into Monday, another 30-degree day. And for your Christmas, we start to see some dark clouds work their way into the area, which means that we could start to see another chance for a few snowflakes. A little too early to promise that white Christmas, but snowflakes definitely are not out of the picture.
All right, so school's already canceled for most of these kids tomorrow, but maybe some more snow coming for Christmas.
That's true. There's still plenty of cold weather in there, so that's going to be the main story. Sadly, no more snow overnight. We're just going to be looking at chilly temperatures until Christmas. We could, it's too early to be calling that white Christmas, but we could be looking at some snowflakes at least that night.
Something to be optimistic about at least. Well, thanks for watching us tonight.